skincare, so I'm just going to show you what I use. It's nothing too over the top, I don't think. Most of the items are affordable unless they're items that I got like in a subscription box or something along those lines. It's a pretty simple routine. It's not a lot of steps like I've seen some other videos have, you know, like 12 or 13 different steps in the morning and 12 or 13 different steps at night. It's nothing like that. So I'm here today just to show you the products I use, and I'll go over kind of how I use them as well. The first items I want to share with you are these Biore cleansers, and these are fairly cheap. Of course, you get them at Walmart, Ulta, CVS, anything like that. I think they run about $8. So what I do is, if I'm not having breakouts at the time, I'll use the deep pore charcoal cleanser to cleanse with in the mornings. But if I'm having a breakout, then I'll use the charcoal acne clearing cleanser. And they both work very well, and with these, me and my fiance use them, so they're kind of gender neutral, I guess you would say, because he enjoys them just as much as I do. So it's something that we repurchase quite a bit. And then after I cleanse, I'll normally go in with my daytime moisturizer, which right now for moisturizer I'm using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It's their Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, the Anti-Aging Armor. And this I got in a BoxyCharm. It's pretty pricey. I'll link it below. I'm not sure the exact price. I want to say like 40 or 50. I'm not sure, but I've only got it because it was in BoxyCharm. I would never pay that out of pocket, to be honest, for a product. But this is really good. I do like it. It gives you like a firming to the skin as well as a nice moisturization that lasts throughout the day. But it's not greasy at all. It feels super nice on the skin. So that's what I've been using in the morning after cleansing. And then normally for eye cream, I have been trying out the Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. But I did get a Dr. Brandt eye cream in a recent subscription, and I was asked to do a review on that, so I'm currently using it, but it hasn't been long enough to give my final opinion on it yet. But this one I did use for quite a while. It's almost empty actually, and I really like it because it does have that hydrating factor to it, like it says in the name, the Super Hydrating Eye Cream. So that's a good one, and I don't believe that Air Repair is too expensive either. And that's pretty much all I do in the mornings. As far as skincare, like I said, I don't have too many steps. You know, cleanse, moisturize, eye cream, that's about it. And then if I'm wearing makeup, of course, I'll do that whole routine. But for skincare, that's about it in the morning time. And then at nighttime, I will first usually go in with a makeup wipe, and I like the micellar cleansing wipes by Simple. They work really good. There's nothing in there like fragrance or anything that irritates my skin. With the Neutrogena ones that everyone raves about, there's something in there that just breaks me out. I can't use them, so I went with the Simple brand, and I really like these. They have an exfoliating one as well, which is okay, but I prefer the micellar water ones. And they run like $6 for a pack of 24. And then after I use the makeup wipe, if I'm wearing makeup that day, I'll go in with the cleanser, and this is another item I've got in a subscription. It's the Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. And I've really been liking this, and I use it mainly at nighttime. Sometimes I do have like a facial brush I'll use. It's just a cheap one that costs a few dollars, but I don't use that very often, only if I need exfoliation. But this has been my nighttime cleanser recently, and it smells delicious. And then if I am having a breakout, or if I'm still trying to get rid of one that's kind of gone but still lingering, I'll use the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. It fights and fades breakouts, so it says that it fades the look of post-acne marks, fights breakouts in under 8 hours. And it really does. I really enjoy this stuff. It really does help dry out pimples if you have any, and then once they're gone, if you're like me and they kind of linger for a while, even after they're gone, you kind of have like a scar, I guess you could say. it will help fade that as well. If you have sensitive skin though, you may want to go easy with this at first. What I usually do is just put it on a cotton round and apply it, but don't apply too much because it does have the astringent in it to fight the acne. So if you're really sensitive, you may want to be careful with that. And then for nighttime moisturizer, recently I've been using another item that I got in a subscription box, and it's the Pure Lease Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This is hydration for fine line prevention. I mean, nothing special, just a nice moisturizer. I don't think there's anything too special about it. It's just one that I got, so I've been using it recently. So at night, once I do the face wash, the toner, the moisturizer, once a week or so, I like to go in with a mask, sometimes maybe more. I love sheet masks, they're my favorites, and I just try like random ones. I'll even pick up some at Walmart sometimes that are, you know, $1, $2. If I don't have one that I've already gotten in some type of subscription or something. But as far as mud mask, I've been really enjoying this one by Formula 10.0.6. It's their Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. It's just a really good mud mask, and it's on the affordable side as well. You get these at Ulta. I'm not sure if you can get them other places, but I usually get this brand at Ulta. This gives you that nice pore tightening clean feel once you rinse it off. And then if I have a newer pimple, what I'll do is use the Mario Badescu drying lotion and just take a Q-tip and dip it down into the pink solution that's in the bottom there and apply it over the pimple, and it will usually help dry it out. Now, I'm not going to say it's like a miracle and dries it out in one night like some people say. Usually what I do is do it 3 nights in a row, because the first night it'll kind of start the process of drying it, and then the second night it'll dry it up all the way, and then I do the third just to kind of finish out the pimple, hopefully. And I just apply that prior to going to bed, and then sleep with it on overnight, and then wash it off. And then the last thing I want to share with you isn't necessarily skincare, but it is something that I wear on my lips, especially when they're really dry in the winter months. It's by Neosporin. It's their Overnight Renewal Therapy White Petroleum Lip Protectant. It comes in this little white container, and you put this on before you go to sleep. So I kind of just take my nail in there, as you can see, and apply a good amount over my lips before I go to sleep. And when you wake up in the morning, they're just so soft. So that's a really nice item I like to use at nighttime as well. And I got mine on Amazon. I don't know if you can buy it in store or not. It was like $6. So it beats some of those pricier lip masks that you see. And those were all the items, guys, I have to share with you for my current skincare products that I'm using. If you have something else you think I should try, leave me a comment and let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and hit subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching, guys.